What's up, people? Welcome back to another video. Today is day 18 of JE Stretch, and finally, September is over. October is starting from tomorrow, and even Navratris are starting in just a few more days. So, yeah, we will all be going, enjoying Navratri, and just getting a little bit of break from this preparation that has been going on since a very long time, because I do believe we deserve just like a little bit of break in between. We need to freshen up our minds a little or something. Or do we? Because festivals are now around the corner. October is starting, and just like I drifted off talking about how excited I am about Navratri, you guys might also be really excited about Navratri or Diwali or any festival that has to come. Probably your family is going on a trip, and probably you are as well, and you're really excited about it. But I really think you shouldn't be excited about festivals or going anywhere or celebrating Diwali or spending some time with that relative of yours for this month, especially if you are in class 12th right now and your preparation is not going as planned. You wasted the past 1.5 years of your life, of your JE prep, say, and now you started again in September thinking कि भाई सिर्फ चार महीने बाकी है जेई में. अब I really need to like get my shit done and stuff, but now you're back in that comfort zone again. Now you're back like हाँ भाई जेई तो कर ही रहे, अब हर रोज पढ़ रहे ना, 6-7 घंटे पढ़ रहे. You really think 6-7 घंटे is enough for you, bro? Because even studying for 11 and 12 hours, you only now have around 45 days left for your studying time. I saw this in Akul's video today, and that really was an eye opener for me as well. कि अगर आज से लेकर भी I study for 12 hours every single day before January for my syllabus completion or whatever, my studying thing, I only have about 45 days of studying to finish it. And if that doesn't scare you, if that doesn't get you up now, I don't know what will. Festivals तो ठीक है, अब विंटर्स भी चालू होंगे. धीरे धीरे तुम्हारा मोटिवेशन डाउन हो जाएगा, लेथार्जिक फील होगा पूरे दिन के लिए. विल बी जस्ट lying around in your bed with your blanket and whatever, you'll just be chilling around. Now I don't want to do anything today. आज मूड अच्छा नहीं है भाई, कितनी ठंड है बाहर, सो जाता हूँ आज जल्दी नहीं उठा जाएगा. All of these things are now gonna come to eat you up, and if you don't fight today, I don't know when you will now. Because फिर I guess drop ले लो, or if you are already a dropper, then I guess you know where I'm going with this. And one important thing which I also want to mention about festivals right now is don't go for the 2-3 दिन तो चलता है भाई, और like आज भाई मेरा भाई आया घर पे, मुझे बुला रहा था बाहर खेलने के लिए, मैं सोचा चले जाता हूँ, 2-3 घंटे उधर वेस्ट कर लिए. Because right now, if you are not going with the pace which you already planned to go for, if you have not achieved whatever things you should have achieved for your goal to be, achievable in the next 4 months, then I really think that every single hour of your life right now is important, and you shouldn't waste that. Me saying that, I still am not 100% efficient and productive with my stuff even, but I'm trying my best, and all I'm trying to tell you here is that you should try your best as well. You should give your best as well. अब मस्ती करने का टाइम बहुत मिलेगा after we're done with 12th, but at this moment I really do believe कि October में please do not slack, क्योंकि October is like the most important month of your JE prep right now. अगर October में you fuck up, then yeah, you have ended your JE preparation, I think, because that's just how it goes. Then you'll get your average 94-93% and you'll be happy with it, because ठीक है चलो 90s में तो आए, ठीक है 94-95 कोई अच्छा कोई कुछ तो मिल जाएगा. बट दैट कॉम्प्रोमाइज ना भाई, अगर वो नहीं करना तो प्लीज़ कॉम्प्रोमाइज राइट नाउ एंड let go of all those entertaining things. Let go of all those short-term pleasures that your mind wants. Don't indulge into watching the internet too much. Don't keep on listening to songs all day. Because उस तरीके से ना भाई तुम्हारा दिमाग स्टडीइंग में कैसे जाएगा? If you are studying something, if you want to learn something, if you want to remember something, आज तुम पढ़ लोगे 12 घंटे बैठकर, what's the guarantee कि तुम्हें 1 महीने बाद वही सेम चीज़ याद रहेगी भाई? That's only going to happen if all of your, mind is focused onto studying right now and not anywhere else. At the end, I just want to say that if you were to take even just one simple single thing from this video, it would be the most simplest thought or whatever saying you can say that you have heard probably, and that's discipline over motivation. Because right now, motivation is 100% gonna get down as you approach closer to JEE. I'm sure about it. I'm ready for my motivation to go down to 0%. I don't care right now. I have my discipline and that's what I'm gonna work with. अगर मोटिवेशन पे रिलाई करोगे, अगर उस पर रिलाई करोगे कि भाई ये बंदा वीडियो अपलोड करता है, उसके बाद मैं देखूंगा कि थोड़ा मोटिवेशन आ जाता है इसका वीडियो देख के, और फिर मैं पढ़ाई कर लूँगा. इसका स्टडी विथ मी जो पार्ट होता है ना, उसमें अच्छा पढ़ाई हो जाता है, बाकी फिर थोड़ा वेस्ट हो जाता है, बट कोई बात नहीं, इतने पार्ट तो पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ ना. That's all motivation, bro. That's a completely motivation based game, and if you're aiming for that, I don't think that's gonna work out in the long run. Alright? This might have been a bit harsh because this wasn't a video to all of you only, this was also a video to myself, and I tend to be really harsh to myself. I tried not to be too harsh in this video. And one last thing is, about these last few months, your brain would be so messed up and pissed off at the current situation that it's gonna seek comfort. It's gonna drift off to places like festival celebration, कि भाई 2-3 दिन बाहर जाके आ जाता हूँ, mind fresh हो जाएगा. It's gonna drift off to things like talking to that guy or that girl in your chat, whatever, that you're gonna go like, भाई इससे बात करके मज़ा आ जाती है, or whatever else which gives your mind some pleasure. Your mind is gonna seek security right now because you're not secure, you're not confident about your preparation, right? So just make a promise to yourself in this month कि after this ends, I don't want to look at myself as a guy who's not so much prepared right now. Rather, when I look at myself from someone else's perspective or from my own perspective, I just want to be that guy who has prepared well enough and is confident enough about scoring a good enough rank or whatever his goal is in his exam. Thanks so much for watching. I'm sorry if I was harsh to you. And yeah, this was just like a reality check for you and for myself as well. Mostly for myself because I don't want to see myself as that guy who's just, wasting his time even after a month, like in the November. Because dates aa gaye honge and we would be tensed as shit. So why not just take that pressure right now और पढ़ ले हम, ठीक है? Alright then, see you guys in the next one. And yeah, work hard.